Installing your navigation device in your car. There are several options for setting up the mount that will hold your navigation device, and more depending on the accessories you have. The regular mount that comes with your device can be mounted either on the dashboard or on the windscreen of your car. When you're positioning your mount, make sure that your device won't interfere with your view of the road, the controls of your vehicle, your rear view mirrors, or the airbags in your car. If you don't have a flat or smooth enough surface to attach the mount on, there are various TomTom accessories that can help. Start by connecting the USB cable for charging to the mount itself. Position the mount and then push and hold it in place. Twist the ring by the foot of the mount to secure it. Make sure that the mount is stable and won't come loose before you connect your device. If you have an air vent mount for your device, first attach the holder to your air vent. For newer devices, you can just dock your device once the holder is in place. Older devices use separate connecting arms and discs that need to be attached to your device before mounting it. To see the available mounts and accessories in our web shop, click the link in the description.